Hello everyone, we will explain the installation method of compatible Lexmark MS310 series strong unit chip. Firstly, find the installation location of the chip. Then, remove the chip holder. Then, remove the screws that fix the chip. Remove the exhausted old chip. Insert a new chip from Geninda. Pay attention to the direction of the chip. Install the chip on the chip holder and tighten the screws. Put the chip holder back in. And screw the screws on both sides of the chip holder. The replacement installation of the chip is completed. You can also refer to the chip installation diagram from Geninda. Welcome to leave a message in the comment area, and we will actively help you solve it.